Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at Ayoa tutorial, Master Task Planning and Team Collaboration in 2025. In today's fast-paced, remote-friendly work environment, productivity tools that combine task management, brainstorming, and team collaboration are essential. Ayoa is one such all-in-one platform designed to streamline your workflow and improve team efficiency. Whether you are managing projects, coordinating with a remote team, or organizing your personal tasks, Ayoa's 2025 version makes it simple and visually engaging. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, you will learn how to set up, organize, and collaborate in Ayoa so you can unlock its full potential for your team or personal productivity. What is Ayoa? Ayoa is a web-based productivity tool that integrates mind mapping, task management, and team collaboration. Developed by the creators of iMindMap, it allows users to visualize ideas, break them into actionable tasks, assign work to team members, and track progress, all in one place. Core features: visual task boards, AI-powered mind maps, real-time collaboration, chat and comments, calendar and deadlines, integrations with Google, Microsoft, Zoom, and more. Who should use Ayoa? Ayoa is ideal for project managers, team leaders, creatives, designers and marketers, educators and students, remote and hybrid teams, entrepreneurs and freelancers. If you're someone who thinks visually and wants a more intuitive way to plan and execute tasks, Ayoa is perfect. Getting started with Ayoa 2025. Step 1. Create an account. Go to www.ayoa.com. Sign up with your email or use Google or Microsoft Sign In. Choose a plan: free, pro, or ultimate. 30-day trial available. Step 2. Choose your workspace style. Ayoa gives you 3 starting points: mind map for brainstorming and idea development, task board for structured task tracking, canvas view for a visual layout of tasks, drag and drop style. Choose one based on your workflow. Don't worry, you can switch views later. Mastering Ayoa Mind Maps. Mind maps are one of Ayoa's standout features. Here's how to use them effectively. Create new mind map. Choose a style: organic, speed map, fragile. Add ideas. Click the central idea bubble to name your project. Use the plus button to add branches. Color code branches to represent categories or priorities. Use AI to help brainstorm. Ayoa's AI assistant, available in 2025, can suggest related concepts or subtasks. Right-click a node and select AI Assist. It will suggest child nodes or connections. Convert ideas to tasks. Click on any idea node and select Convert to Task. Assign due dates, labels, and people. Organizing tasks with Ayoa boards are where the real task management happens. Board types: Kanban view, column-based, to do, doing, done. Canvas view, visual layout of task bubbles. Create, new task board. Name your board. Example: Marketing Plan Q2. Use board view. You can change it anytime. Add and organize task. Click last task. Add task name. Assign to team members. Set due dates. Use tags for filtering. Example: high priority, bug, admin. Drag and drop tasks across categories like to do, in progress, and done for visual tracking. Team collaboration features. Invite team members. Inside any board, click share or plus invite. Add teammates by email. Set permissions. Can view, can edit, admin. Assign task. Click a task. In the right sidebar, assign team members. You can assign multiple people for collaborative tasks. Real-time updates. Ayoa syncs changes instantly. Team members get notifications when they are assigned or mentioned. Built-in chat and comments. Open any task. Use the Comments tab to chat about the task. Mention users with @username. You can also start a group chat or video call using Zoom integration. Managing deadlines and calendars. Stay on top of your schedule with Ayoa's built-in calendar tools. Add due dates. Click any task. Set the due date or even a start date plus time. You can also set reminders, email, or in-app. View Calendar. Go to Calendar View in the top menu. See all your tasks in a monthly or weekly calendar. Click any date to view tasks or drag a task to change its date. Ayoa can sync with Google Calendar and Outlook for centralized scheduling. Tracking progress. Visualizing progress helps keep your team accountable and focused. Task progress bars. Each task has a completion slider, 0% to 100%. Update as work progresses. Update as work progresses. Board level stats. Click Progress View to see task completion rates, upcoming deadlines, overdue tasks, filters, and search. Use filters to view tasks by assignee, show only overdue tasks, filter by tags or completion status. Personalize your workspace. Make your workspace comfortable and visually pleasing. Customize themes. Go Use filters to view tasks by assignee, show only overdue tasks, filter by tags or completion status. Personalize your workspace. Make your workspace comfortable and visually pleasing. Customize themes. Go to Settings, Appearance. Choose light or dark mode, or apply a custom background image. Create custom tags. Go to Settings, Task Tags. Create tags like Urgent, Waiting, Lock. Color code them for clarity. Templates. Save time by using templates. Access from Create from Template. Use templates for product launches, lesson planning, client onboarding, etc. Integrations and automation. Make Ayoa even more powerful with integrations. Popular integrations 2025. Google Drive or Docs. Attach files directly. Zoom. One-click video meetings. Google Calendar or Outlook. Sync deadlines. Slack. Task alerts in Slack channels. Zapier. Automate task creation from emails, forms, and other tools. To set up, go to Settings, Integrations. Authorize and connect apps. Ayoa mobile app. Download Ayoa for iOS or Android to manage tasks on the go. Features: full task management, notifications, comment and chat, offline mode, syncs when reconnected. Bonus: use Ayoa for personal development. Ayoa isn't just for work. You can also use it for goal setting. Example: read 12 books in 2025. Habit tracking, journaling or gratitude list, vision boards using mind maps. Pro tips for 2025 users. Use AI mind maps to accelerate brainstorming sessions. Set recurring tasks for routines. Group boards into folders by project or team. Use focus mode to reduce distractions and only show priority tasks. Set task dependencies for sequential workflows. Example: Task B only starts after Task A is completed. Final thoughts? Why choose Ayoa in 2025? If you're tired of juggling multiple platforms, mind mapping apps for brainstorming, separate tools for task tracking, communication apps for team chat, and calendar software for scheduling, Ayoa simplifies everything, bringing it all together in one elegant visual ecosystem. In 2025, Ayoa stands out as a complete productivity hub that is as intuitive as it is powerful, making it easy to plan, prioritize, and collaborate without losing momentum. Its seamless blend of creativity and structure makes it suitable for diverse users, whether you are managing a project, leading a remote team, planning a course, or organizing your personal goals. With features like AI-powered mind maps, real-time task boards, smart notifications, and native integrations with tools like Zoom, Google Calendar, and Slack, Ayoa enhances focus and streamlines workloads. Whether you are a solo freelancer or a project manager overseeing a large team, mastering Ayoa can truly transform how you think, organize, and execute in 2025. And that is all there is on Ayoa tutorial. Master task planning and team collaboration in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. And please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.